Right, here we have a very sad looking short block of a Jaguar V12 Series III. Obviously has not had the best years of its life sitting in storage. Hopefully this is the journey where we start to send it on the right path where it can see its new lease of life in the future. So let's start by taking off the flywheel. These are the locking tags holding the flywheel bolts. The car it is matching numbers for is actually a nut and bolt concourse restoration car, but it's obviously got a fair way to go. Okay, all locking tabs removed, bolts are now slackened to allow access. This car has actually sat around, like we've said, for some years, waiting for the day that it would get restored in the right direction. An investment that had to wait for other things in life to get it to the way first before it could be built. Turn to the top and the front now to remove. Some of the interesting parts we're going to find with this engine in the challenges to rebuild it will be things like the broken studs that are in the block already from when the heads were removed some very long time ago. As we can see by the piston tops, it's been sitting open to the elements for a long time. First glance actually looks reasonably clean internally. auxiliary belt part of the front pulley. Now removing the front crank pulley to allow us access to remove the front timing covers. That was necessary for locking the. I do believe we are going to have to put a puller on this item.